Yesterday, I lied. I said that I get it now. I said that I understood something that I hadn't understood before. But today let me know that I didn't understand anything. That in fact, I didn't get anything. But another day of the brutal experience of knowing what to do and not doing it. Because knowing what to do is not gonna get you profitable. Knowing what to do isn't gonna help you grow a small account. Only executing what it is that you believe you know. You can't hesitate. You can't fumble. You can't make a mistake. You have to do the things the right way, in the right order, at the right time to get the right results. When you see a topping tail bar, you have to respond. When your stop loss is hit, you have to respond. When you enter a trade and you are up, you start to win. You have to add to your winners and cut your losers. What I should focus on is adding to my winners, not my losers. But even more importantly, I have to give the play. I have to give the market. I have to give the time frame time to do what it's designed to do. So I lied. I don't get it now. I'm still getting it. I'm still getting it day by day, play by play, trade by trade. Oh, but the truth is, I'm never giving up. Oh, no. See, I'm starting to see exactly what's possible. And I hope you see it too. Because every time I'm red in one direction, I know that I could be green. Every time the market drops down in a crisis and then I watch it recover the same day, I say, why am I panicking? Am I panicking because I don't know what's next? Am I panicking because I lack patience? Or is the panicking habituation, just a habit of being human? I see. It seems like the market does two things or three things. It goes down, it moves sideways, and it goes up, often in that order. How long it goes up or how far it goes up, we don't know. But we do know that what goes down will come up, and what goes up will come down. So again, moving forward, I think the truth is that I'm getting it, and I'm getting better each and every day. And I'm learning more from losses than I learn from victories. But don't you worry. We are still very, very early in this journey, and I am going to continue to post these trades so that you can see exactly what it looks like when you grow a teeny tiny account into something massive, something worth talking about. But for now, I hope you're learning from all of these videos and plays that I'm sharing with you.
Hey.
I'm giving you a lot of insight, and I hope that it doesn't require a paper trading account with false profits for you to believe was actually possible. So keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, comment down below, and leave a like. Peace.